Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Before we get started, today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, you can make it with Squarespace. But more on that later. For today's video, I'm going to be making an egg and toast phone case from scratch. I've actually made a charm like this in the past. I'll include a picture, but I thought it would be really nice to make a phone case design like it. Plus, it's also been quite some time since I've done a silicone phone case video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here and if you can maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Also, a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below with the hashtag notification squad to be featured in my next video. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. To make your very own phone case from scratch, you're going to need silicone and you're also going to need cornstarch. I got both of these items from Walmart, and what I did is I took a bowl and I'm just going to put some cornstarch. Then I'm going to take my silicone and I'm going to just squeeze out the entire thing. I am trying to squeeze this out in one area, so try not to get it everywhere. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some cornstarch on top, and this I find is very important. And now I'm going to go in with my hands and start kneading it together. Be sure to wear gloves when you do this because removing silicone is a pain. I've been there, done that, and I would not recommend it. So yeah, I'm going to knead this together until it forms a dough-like consistency. Now it should not be too sticky or too dry, so you kind of want it to be at that in-between stage. Before we start making the actual phone case, we need to protect our phone, and this is a very important step. So I'm going to take some cling wrap and I'm going to wrap up my phone, and that's about it. Now to make the phone case, I'm going to take the silicone dough and just roll it out using a rolling pin. I do have a piece of parchment paper underneath so that it doesn't stick onto my work surface. And now I'm going to pop my phone on top and shape it accordingly. Not really good at explaining this part, but you can pretty much see what exactly I am doing. So we have the base of our phone case all completed. Now I'm going to give this the egg and toast design. So I took an old toothbrush and I'm going to give it a lot of texture. You can't really see this that much on camera, which is kind of unfortunate, but you want to give it texture so that it looks like a slice of bread. To give this some color, I'm using chalk pastels, so I'm using a medium brown, beige, and then a little bit of a darker brown. I'm going to mix that all together, and then using a fluffy paintbrush, I'm going to shade the sides of the phone case so that it kind of looks like the crust. Then I'm going to take a beige chalk pastel and add in a little bit of brown, mix that together, and shade the top of the bread. Now you want to let this air dry for about 24 hours. While that's drying, I wanted to talk more about my website, which I made using Squarespace. I actually did talk about it a couple of videos ago, but for those of you who missed out, I made everythingnim.com using Squarespace, and it was really fast and easy. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform where you can create a website easily on your own. You don't have to worry about things like updating or installing Squarespace, and you can also buy your own own domain from Squarespace like I did. But my most favorite feature of Squarespace is that it has a lot of beautiful templates to choose from. All I did was pick out a template and I was easily able to customize it to my style using their website builder. So if you guys are looking into making your own website, maybe like a blog, slime shop, or any other idea, go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/NIMC to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Now back to the phone case, I'm going to make the egg. So I took some polymer clay and I'm making this random shape. I don't know what you would call it. And then I'm going to take some yellow polymer clay and add in the yolk. Once you're happy with the shape, you want to let that bake in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I decided that I wanted to make a face on the toast. So I'm going to use some black polymer clay and I just made 2 eyes and a smiley face. And once that was done, I let it bake in the oven for about 5 minutes. It is the next day now and I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and trim off any extra silicone and basically shape it like a regular phone case. As I like to call it, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to pop my phone out of the case and it turned out pretty nice, as you can see. Off camera, I did make the hole for the camera and the buttons using an X-Acto knife. I would have done this on camera, but honestly, it's really hard to see what I'm doing. I do have a video where I show you how I do this, so I will leave a link for it below. Using super glue, I glued on the egg and the face, and then I also decided to add in a face on the egg. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that using some acrylic paint. There is the phone case all completed, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also uploaded a new video over on my second channel, so now that you're done watching this video, you can watch that. I will leave a link for it below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in my next one.